What's going on, guys? The boy Maximum RPM coming at you with another video today, and in this video we're going to be doing a battle between my 3D printed Beyblade Supercharged V8 8-shift Revolve. I had to put it on Revolve because my bearing driver was actually getting crushed by V8. It's going to be going up against Super Hyperion 1A Exceed in the Rail Rush Stadium. I am not keeping track. You guys are. You guys will have to keep track of the points because I'm just going to enjoy myself, and the real winner is going to be me. I don't care if V8 loses in points. I don't care if V8 doesn't win a single battle. Putting on a good show is what we care about. So let's get right into that. We'll see if we can get a burst out of old V8. He didn't take any damage. Hyperion didn't either. Oh! V8 took no damage. But he got absolutely booted out of there. Hyperion didn't take any damage either. That was actually really cool. That was a really big hit. Not enough damage to really say anything. Hyperion's been holding himself together pretty good. Alright. Huge hits. No damage. No damage. Oh! Those are the kind of hits we want. And V8 broke. See right there, guys? Well, ooh, Hyperion took a couple clicks. So, I do have an upgraded file for Supercharged V8 to fix that issue. We'll keep on going for now. Until V8 actually breaks, he's going to keep on fighting. The teeth are going to be next, guys. If V8 breaks again, it's probably going to be curtains. The teeth are probably coming next. Hyperion is the one taking damage, though. The problem is Super Hyperion has such a round and smooth shape. He doesn't take damage. And we took a click from Hyperion. Ooh, V8 took half damage. That's a new record for us, guys. That's our new record, I believe. Well, we're taking the hits very well. Took a little bit of damage. Alright, here we go. Huge hit. Took some damage. Ooh, Hyperion took half damage. Let's do a stadium switch. Let's see if we can get even more speed out of the two of them. Once I get my launcher wind back up. Well, what did I say, guys? I told you V8. I told you the next thing to go is going to be the teeth. Look, the teeth are still in it. I want to see if the... Woo! We got the stamina win. We did half damage. Hyperion actually has some pretty sufficient damage to his actual base. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but... Yeah. Oh! It split the teeth, too. Not only did it snap it off, it split them. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Jeez. Well, I am not going to reprint V8 until I can get the file that my buddy Level Zero helped me with. Yeah, it broke right in there again. Well, that's weird. It didn't break the surface layer, it broke internally. That's so weird. It must have pushed it in and cracked the rest of it. Well, there's another one down the drain. That's another reason why I'm kind of done working with a supercharged V8. The teeth keep breaking off. I mean, if your bay continues to break, then it's time for a redesign or to move on. Now, the Level Zero put in hard work to hopefully try to eliminate one of the breaking issues. So we will have to see how it does with the new one, with supercharged V8 version 2. But yeah, guys, that's all she wrote. Super Hyperion came out on top. V8 still technically hasn't burst. The whole phrase, it will break before it will burst, hasn't been wrong. I mean, even the original V8 did technically burst, but it technically broke before it ever got into a battle. So, V8 still hasn't burst yet. But, hey guys, I'll have to make another one. But, yeah, I'm not too happy about that. What are you gonna do? I'll print the version 2 in red for the skits. I'm basically just going to be using... Supercharged is pretty much going to be... As far as my plans are right now, Supercharged V8 is sticking around for the skits, and that is it. The second big block V8 is finished. That's what's going to be. So, yeah, guys. That's going to be about it. Hope you guys aren't too upset with V8 breaking, but this stuff happens. It's part of the game, part of the learning curve, and it's part of what will make you better at both Beyblading and 3D modeling. I know what I need to fix. I need to actually make it so V8 can take damage. Because V8's gimmick works too well. It's hard to say that a gimmick works too well, but it does. V8 can't freely move, and that's why he breaks so much. And let me explain it to you this way, guys. So, with a normal Beyblade, the layer moves. When it gets hit hard enough, the disc is heavier than the layer, so the disc keeps its perpetual motion, and it starts to unlock, which relieves stress. The turbo bays they can do that. They hit the blocker, and the blocker flexes. And if it gets too much pressure, it gives way. V8 can't do that because the layer pinches the disc. So there's constant force being put out and on the teeth. It doesn't move. So when V8 gets hit, the impact goes straight to the center of it, which means every time it gets hit, it's taking direct pressure on the teeth, but nothing goes anywhere. And like you guys just saw, V8 broke on the wall too. That's because the disc tried to move, and it got stopped by Octalock. Octalock couldn't handle the pressure. The plastic gave way. It broke. Once the plastic broke, the teeth had a little bit... The disc could travel, but it hit the center point where it pinches it again, and the force was too great where the energy didn't have anywhere to go, so it went to the weakest part, both splitting the teeth and pulling them directly off of the layer. And this happens a lot, guys. That's the number one thing you have to watch out for when 3D printing. The teeth or the slopes. Whatever your bay uses. Shatter has snapped them. Gumlock Wool surprisingly hasn't. Toxic Rose breaks teeth all the time. V6 has never broken teeth, but they wear down. V8 has broken teeth time and time again. And I almost guarantee it, Impact Shark, a 3D printed Beyblade coming very soon, that thing's going to snap teeth. I think the teeth are going to break, not the layer. Alright guys, that's about it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notifications so you get all my videos because I upload daily. And as always, I do hope that this video makes your day just a little bit better. Live life to the max and stay awesome.